How's everyone doing? So I wanted to try something a little bit different. Wanted to bring a little bit more of an intimate view of some of the motorcycles that come through the garage. We're pretty fortunate to see a wide variety of bikes, everything from Harley Davidsons to Japanese bikes to European bikes. This one's particularly interesting to me. I love Ducatis. I love old Ducatis, love new Ducatis, but this one is a 1965 Ducati Bronco. You can see the Bronco there on the toolbox. And this is 125cc displacement, not uncommon for bikes in the 1960s produced by Ducati. They did have some 250s as well in different varieties. However, this is 100% original bike, original paint, all decals in place. Needs a little bit of work here and there. It's not currently running, so we're hoping to take care of that as well. Got to take care of some damaged paint on the side of the tank, so we're hoping that we can address that and make it look close to original. However, really cool bike, so follow us and follow the progress that we make on this bike on Instagram. Great news too is we're also going to be bringing this to Cincinnati for the Garage Brew Show. We're going to have this at our booth, so definitely stop by, check out the bike, have a chat, and follow us to see the progress we make on this bike. Have a great night. Talk to everyone soon.